In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove tags in bulk on Shopify. Managing product tags in bulk can significantly streamline your inventory management and improve the way your products are organized on your Shopify store. Whether you need to categorize your products more effectively or quickly remove outdated tags, doing this in bulk saves time and reduces errors. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once there, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a list of options. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open up a comprehensive view of all the products currently available in your store. Once you're viewing your products, it's time to select the ones you want to edit. You'll notice checkboxes next to each product on the list. Click on the checkboxes corresponding to the products you wish to include in this bulk edit. Selecting multiple products this way is key to expediting the tagging process. With your products selected, direct your attention to the top of the list. You'll see an option labeled Bulk Edit. Click on it, and you'll be seamlessly taken to the bulk editor. Here, you'll find a user-friendly interface that resembles a spreadsheet table. Each product's properties are neatly separated into columns, offering a familiar layout for easy editing. Our next step is crucial. We need to make sure the tags column is visible, so look toward the top right corner of the bulk editor. There, you'll find a button labeled Columns. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the available columns that can be displayed. Make sure to enable tags by checking the corresponding box. This inclusion will now make the tags column available for editing alongside the rest of the product details. Now that the tags column is visible, let's proceed to edit the tags. You simply click on the cell within the tags column that corresponds to each product. This interactive editing allows you to add new tags or easily remove existing ones. This flexibility makes updating your product tags effortless, ensuring they accurately reflect the categories or identifiers you wish to maintain. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your product tags in bulk on Shopify. This method not only improves the organization of your products, but also enhances the overall user experience on your store by making products easier to find and filter. This process is as simple as it is effective, providing you with more time to focus on growing other aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy tagging on Shopify!